YouTube is adding a new video scrubbing gesture.
Did you see this one?
Help you forget the removal of tap to seek.
So it's very minor, but you can kind of see it in action here. You can just scrub anywhere on the screen. You don't have to tap on the screen and then click on that little red button.
I love this type of thing. I do not consider. Did you say it was minor?
Yeah, I thought it was minor.
No,
but
like
I think
it.
it's important.
No, I like it a lot. Yeah. So the dot is my thumb, and I'm on mobile, and I'm just grabbing anywhere. Like, I don't even need to do a double tap 30 seconds at that point. I just grab and I start going.
Yes. And there's this little disclaimer up there.
So the video keeps playing in real time, even while I'm scrubbing underneath.
Yep.
I like this. And then I just pull my finger off and I move to that point in the video. Very well. Very well. The gesture is still rolling out as a server-side test. It's live on YouTube version 16.31.34 beta if you want to raise your odds of getting it. But it's like, I guess not everybody who has that version of the app is going to experience it for whatever reason. It rolls out in weird ways, limited run. What did you do in the past? I guess you had to pinpoint the playhead, right?
Yes.
Yeah. No, this is better.
Or the top the 30 seconds.
This is better, Will. You've done it again.
It's a nice little thing.
Thank you very much for adding that feature to YouTube, Will.
Yeah.
I appreciate your
anytime, buddy.
software development skills.